I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetarian salad full guide. Start by washing all vegetables and prepping your workspace. Today, we'll cover simple greens, hearty grains, proteins like chickpeas, bold dressings, and smart texture contrasts. I'll walk you through chopping techniques, grain cooking tips, and quick protein ideas that stay fresh. By the end, you'll have a flexible salad formula to adapt for lunches, dinners, and gatherings with minimal fuss and great flavor. Prep makes the salad fast and vibrant, so start with clean tools and a clear counter. Chop sturdier vegetables into bite-sized pieces first, then prepare delicate herbs and greens last to avoid wilting. Cook grains with a little salt and let them cool to avoid soggy leaves. Season proteins simply with lemon, salt, and pepper so they blend with dressings. Having components ready makes assembly quick and consistent every time. Quick recommendation: while you chop and toss, grab a reliable bottle like the Owala water bottle to stay hydrated during prep. It seals well, fits most cup holders, and makes sipping simple when your hands are messy. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful recipes. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Assemble the salad with intention and a light hand to preserve textures. Start with greens, add cooled grains and seasoned proteins, then scatter crunchy nuts or seeds and creamy elements like avocado. Make a quick vinaigrette using 3 parts oil to 1 part acid, then whisk in mustard for stability. Toss everything gently, taste, and adjust seasoning with salt, lemon, or a touch of honey if needed to bring the flavors together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.